Natural gas, daily forecast, April 10th, fxempire.com. Nat gas markets fell slightly for the session on Monday, only to bounce to form a hammer. The hammer is just above the $2 level, and we suspect that this area, being a large round psychological number, will produce a bounce sooner or later. But as you can see, the trend in this market is most decidedly to the downside, and in fact, the most recent trend line would line up nicely with 240 if we could get some type of bullish bounce to that level. We may or may not get it, so we have to keep our mind open for either alternative. And if we do get the bounce, 240 would be the preferred spot to sell from. However, we have to be willing to sell on any daily close that looks weak, and that includes even if we only get as high as the 220 level. Also, a break below the $2 mark would signal more selling to come as well. So we know that we're only selling. Now it comes down to, are we going to do it at 2 or sub 2, I should say, 220 or 240? We need to see some type of resistive and weak action. But right now it looks like the crowd that believes that it's fallen so far that it couldn't possibly go lower, are willing to make a little bit of a stand, and the sellers, of course, are willing to take their profits. So until that changes, we simply have to wait for that bearish signal.